Aggregations turn collections into useful summary numbers. Total sales, average grades, and high scores all come from these operations. LINQ's aggregation methods compute these values quickly from your data. The basic aggregates include sum, which adds all numbers together, average for computing the mean, max for finding the highest value, and count for counting elements. These are the foundation of statistical analysis in LINQ. Complex aggregates combine filtering and grouping like where and then sum, summing scores only for high achievers. You can combine aggregates with Where and GroupBy for advanced analysis like per category statistics or conditional summaries. Aggregates are terminal operations, meaning they execute immediately and return a single value rather than another enumerable.